This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Ooh, a challenge puzzle. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. I'm 100% ready. Can you figure out how to pick all of this corn? Wow. You see how it's in a U shape? So we have one block in the workspace and we can use up to 10. Alright. So like I always do, I'm just going to start putting blocks down to test. So I need to go west, and then I guess I need to pick. And let's see how many times I need to go west. I'm just testing this out. I know I would still need to pick. And then how many times would I go south, I think? See, let's just try this. I can use step to watch it go one at a time. Yep, west, and pick. Now I'm just going to go west. I skipped over picking because I want to see. Oh yeah, it is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. And then did I want to go south? Yep. And I would want to pick and pick. And it looks like south one more time. All right. So, and that's how being wrong and just testing code is super helpful. And I know I'm already way over this count. That's fine. We're just testing things out. We're figuring it out. And I think I needed one more south is where I stopped. And pick. And then let's double check. Can I go east now and maybe pick? Where is it? Yep, south pick, south pick, south pick, east pick, and then how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, but I should pick each time. So east and pick me some corn. Corn. Let's see. I have 23 blocks right now. That is crazy. So let's see what we repeated. All right. Well, look. West and pick, west and pick. I wonder how many times I repeated myself. Yep. Oh, different stuff. Okay. So, wait a minute though. South and pick, south and pick. South and pick, south and pick. Okay, well that's the end of that. What about east? Make sure we have room for all this code. Okay, look at this. So, west and pick, west and pick, west and pick, west and pick. We're repeating ourselves. South and pick, south and pick, south and pick. We're repeating ourselves. East and pick, east and pick, east and pick. We're repeating ourselves. How many times am I repeating myself? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. And now, whoop, goodbye. I don't need this anymore because that repeat block will do the same thing. And now, whoop, repeat block. It's going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat that one 3 times. And east and pick 4 times. Goodbye. So, whatever you run in a repeat, it's going to do that many times, 4 times. West pick, bottom, zoop, west pick, 2nd time, zoop, west pick, 3rd time, zoop, west pick, 4th time. Once it's done, right, it ran 4 times for this one, and now we'll drop and run the code below it. This will run 3 times, south pick, south pick, south pick, and then zoop. It should go east for us. So instead of using 23 blocks, we're using 10. Let's give it a shot. Oops. Three times, yep, and now looking good. Woohoo! We did it! Onward!